Silver has shown a very good bullish move last week. You can see achieving the higher lows at close to 2320 levels. We have seen a good massive reversal and it has seen the next support, next resistance levels at 2350. We had discussed this in our last weekly analysis that till the time it remains within this channel, possibility of a reversal exists. Precisely from the 2320 levels, it has seen a bounce back. Does it mean that the silver has reversed? Because see, it has been trading in this waves, second wave, so this is the third wave which has begun, or it is just a retracement, it is going to break again on the downside. Which position you should take trading silver and at what level so that we can trade profitably next week, we will see with the help of first candlestick charts alone on different time frames, followed with indicators on all the time frames, and towards the end we will summarize and conclude and give you the trading level. So do watch till the end. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell which keeps you updated with a twice a day analysis for silver, which I share first with the Asia session, next with the US session. Both the videos are equally important as we share the targets with the every session. So also you can get the live updates by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's start. Silver on the weekly charts, you can see it has formed the better bottom at $18 levels. The rise, the retracement till towards 20, the rise, the retracement till towards 23, and you can see this is accelerated bullishness and it is still trying to trade in this channel. Now only bearishness you can see is if it trades below 2350 levels next week. See, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen, and if you see it trading below this zone at 2350 2340, you can stay short next week and you can expect that this was just a retracement and it is yet bearish, and we are going to look at $22 levels. Remember the data and the interest rate hike and interest rate projections coming from US next week are definitely going to make more or bring more volatility to silver next week, and hence one has to exercise extra caution. Second point here is, see, the bearishness here were diminished that we discussed last week, and then the bullish candle, and now see we have seen a equally big bullish candle. Now if you see it trading about 2450 again, see 2450 certainly is a very good resistance, and then 2480 $25 levels. Now this zone, if it stays above 25, you can just expect we are going to look at double top and further higher levels on silver. It will break past $26 levels also, and then the next high at 28 or 30 can be expected. Now why is it possible? Now you can look at long term. Let me take you back in the history here. See, this is since 2020 COVID time. Since then silver was trading in this bearish channel. Now, after a long while, it has come out of the bearish channel and it had given a breakout. Now, after the breakout, it is retraced. However, now again trying to resume with an upward journey. So this was the bullish flag in which it was trading here, and it has certainly given a breakout now. Hence, one has to be watchful of this. This breakout may continue with the bullishness there. Also, you can see first wave, second wave, and then the third wave may continue with the bullish momentum. Also, you can see the triple bottom here at $18 certainly is a great support. Now let's have a look at the daily. On the daily charts, first thing is it is support. It has got after the drop from the peak there, and with that as the support, it has formed a good base and we have seen a good retracement. Now if you look at the retracement here, you will find higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. It is trying to trade in this bullish channel. At the same time, if you look at the previous highs and the lows there, you can find out this is an expanding bearish triangle. So this is very important. This is an increasingly bearish triangle. At the same time, for the near term, we have seen a retracement, and this both concludes at around 2450 levels, and hence once you see it trading above 2450, you can expect next week that it is trying to breach this channel and we can see more bullishness. Now first bullish candle, second bullish candle may follow, which can take the prices little higher. Now where is the maximum resistance? The maximum resistance for silver is at around 2480 2450 levels. Beyond that, you can see it flying extremely high, and in fact it can try to hit $26 levels also. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the monthly candle. On the monthly charts, first you can look at previous two candles at the flat top there, and with that as flat top, we have seen lower lows and the prices stayed bearish. At the same time, if you look at just go a few months back, you will find the three candles followed with a sharp red candle and then a sharp recovery. Here also the resistance was seen, and then this candle has eliminated or recovered all the losses there. Also now the support is seen at 1800. With that as support, if you look at, if you draw the line there, you will find silver is trying to trade in this bullish channel, and the support there on the downside is now little far below at $22.40 $22 levels, which is a great support, and hence Even if it tries to retrace till towards $22 levels, we should not consider silver as big. Now, second part is, see, this month almost started at flat. It has seen a little drop last week and now has recovered. And yes, it has taken a shape. Possibly once it stays above 25, it can give you higher highs also. Hence, one need to remain extra cautious, watchful here. $25 levels is something you should look after. Beyond 25, more bullishness certainly can be expected. And hence, a good safe entry to buy next week is at 23.50. Beyond that, 23.80, $24 levels are going to give it a maximum resistance on the upside. And on the downside, a sell entry below 24 can be taken. However, 23.80, 23.50, 23.40 and 23.20, these are the extremely important support levels. Only if it drops below 23, you can expect a further drop till towards $22 levels. Now let's have a look at the indicators. What does the indicators are suggest? Indicators on the monthly chart. See, the moving average on the monthly charts are have started to diverge. The 20 and 50 100 period moving average here, the 50 and 100 crossover is almost about to happen. If we get a good candle here, possibly this may cross over for a bullish move. Right now the support is seen far below at around 22.50, 22.20 levels from the 20 period moving average. Also, if you look at, see, it was trading in this bearish channel, it has come out of the channel and hence we can see it staying bullish. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic was overbought. It has dropped a bit. It has come out of the overbought zone. At the same time, on the monthly charts, it is still divergent and bullish, looking upward. So it indicates that it still got the potential for it to rise. Now, if you look at the MACD, you can see this crossover has happened after almost a year, and hence it can sustain a bit on the upside. Also, these are the levels from which silver has always got the support since last 5 to 6 years. RSI is almost flat here, not indicative of anything. And if you look at weekly, now look at weekly charts here, the 20, 50 and 100 period crossover has happened, and all the three are trading with divergence. And if you look at the support there till towards 22.80 levels, 22.50 levels is very strong. And also now the 20 period simple and exponential moving average giving it a very good support at 23.80 levels. Hence, till the time it stays between 23.80 22.80, we have to remain watchful. These levels are certainly very good support zone. If you look at directional movement is bullish here, stochastic oversold, it is trying to bounce back. The MACD is trying to converge again. See, couple of red candles, and now it is looking forward to third crossover. Will it be able to do so? Possibility exists, because see, this was the rise here. We have seen extreme rises. We have seen the drop till towards minus 100, but this time it is falling shy of plus 100, and hence it can converge, crossover and trade bullish from here, where we have seen on the monthly charts also the MACD diverging, which is a bullish sign. RSI almost flat, and on the daily, now look at daily chart. See the 2050 crossover. Now the moving averages have started to converge. This is a good bullish sign. If it crosses over again on the buy side, certainly more bullish momentum can proceed, can follow. Also, the 100 period moving average also needs to look up. Right now, it is almost trading flat. Now, see, this time 20 period simple moving average has given it a good resistance. Also, it was trading outside Bollinger Bands, and that is why we can see a pullback. Now, look at the MACD crossover. See, this is the 20 and 50 period simple moving average crossover. This is the exponential moving average crossover. Also, if you look at the divergence between the 20 period moving average, is more, and hence we can possibly expect it to converge a little, which means that there could be little more bullishness there. And if you look at direction movement, this is crossover for a buy. Stochastic is seen rising. The MACD on the other hand has also crossed over, trading with divergent, trading bullish. This is happening at a lower levels. It can continue with the bullish move from here onwards. RSI is also looking forward to a recovery after a good sharp drop, and it has recovered nicely. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably next week. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch starts on 1st of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. We are trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Reach out to the same IDs for more details. Now, on the buy side, first let's talk about where to buy. I will recommend only for you to buy if you see it trading about 2460. Now that is a safe level for you to. However, those who want to risk a little, you can buy here at 2440 levels itself. Now 2440, if you buy 2460 is the major resistance it needs to pass by. Beyond that, you can expect it to hit 2480, 25. Till 25, every 20 cents there is a little resistance, And once it breaks beyond 25 cents, you can expect it to hit 25, 50, $26 levels directly, and it is going to happen in a very quick manner. And hence, if it stays above 25 this time, we can see more bullishness there. We can expect silver to rise more. Hence, about $25 levels, one has to be watchful, cautious, and alert. It can try to attempt and achieve $26 levels also. Now, where to sell on the downside? I will recommend you to sell here at $24 levels only. And only if you see silver trading below 24, you can expect 23.80, 23.50 and 23.40 levels as the next strongest support. If these three are taken this time, it is going to show you very good bearish move, which might in fact take it till towards 23.20. And if 23.20 is taken, certainly 22.80, 22.50, $22 levels can be expected. Hence, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day and trading week ahead. Thank you.